Okay, I'm back. So here we go. This is going to be a video about how to start wearing a wig. So once you find your wig, right, now what do? How do we put the wig on? How do we fix it to make sure that it fits our head? All those things. So that's what we're going to do. So this may be a long video, so I'm very sorry. I'm just trying to help. That's what I'm here for. So one of the things you might get is a wig cap. Almost always in your wig box or bag, depending on who you order it from, they'll give you a wig cap, and oftentimes they'll give you a wig grip. Some don't, some do. If they don't, then you can purchase one from their website, almost always. There's also another type of wig cap. It's a mesh one. Here it is, like this kind. So what we're gonna do though, is I'm gonna show you the different ones. Oh, whoops, hi. No, that's not good. Okay, another thing is you always wanna use a wig brush when you're brushing your wigs. You do not want to use a normal brush that you would wear or you would use on your bio hair, because that would be bad, because these are specific to the fibers that you need your brushes for. So also, it's very normal, you can see on here, it's very normal to have wig shedding when you first start wearing them. And I mean, just over time, it's okay. It's kind of like hair. Also, I bought wig combs. I keep them in my purse. That way I can always just do a touch up real quick. That way it's just, because I usually wear a crossbody purse. So I wanted something small that I could just throw in there. And then I've got them everywhere all over the house. I buy them in packs so that I have them. So these are always important too. So I personally only use a wig grip. Now this one is from Chelsea Smith Crowns. I'm gonna tell you, top notch. I've ordered from the Zon, I've ordered from all the things, and never mind the Frenchie back here. These wig grips, but for some reason, I really like hers the best. They're the most comfortable. I do she puts lace on them, the lace front. If you're wearing a lace front cap, I don't normally wear a lace front cap. I have them, but I don't normally wear them, just because I have bangs. So, but anyways, this is what it looks like. So I cut the lace off. I also cut this down just because my head is very small and it's petite. So now I'm about to get very vulnerable here. So please, here it is. This is the real thing. So this is a JB extension wig that I have that I love. It's beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. But I'm gonna, ooh, hi. I was outside for a second, so apparently the trees are shedding stuff. It's springtime. See what happens? Okay, so I'm taking this off, and then you're gonna see that I have a hard time getting it off, clearly, because it got tangled into my necklace. All right, so here's the inside of the cap. Now this one has an extended nape on it. Extended nape means it comes down a little further on your neck, which it's really nice. It makes it more comfortable. This one has a monofilament top, and it has the open lifting. So again, it's breathable. And look at her. She's apricot, so she's got some apricot colors going on in her. I love her. All right. So I've got this one, which is this, but in the blonde color. So if I'm wearing more of a dark hair wig, I would use this one. But because I'm wearing a light colored one, I wore this one. So I just put it on. I put my ponytail So you're gonna get your hair as flat as you can to your head. So you're gonna pull it back, put it in a ponytail at the very nape of your neck. And then you're gonna put this, and it's gonna be where it's the rough side going out. That way your wig doesn't slide off. But to me, I don't have any issues. So I wear glueless wigs. There are wigs that require glue. A lot of your human hair wigs, there's a spray glue you can get off the Zon. It's kind of like your poly grip or poly dent for your teeth, but it's for wigs. So you just spray it on, and then you can just like hold it, and it doesn't rip your skin off. It doesn't anything like that. It's not like that at all. It's just a little bit of extra, protection there. If you want to see what a cap looks like, I'm not going to put one on just for the sake of time, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to open it up. It kind of looks like pantyhose, just like the pantyhose. Do y'all remember what pantyhose are? Because I don't like them. That's probably why I don't like these. But you can wear them. So you would just take this and you would put it, a lot of people wear these and this at the same time and put it over. But again, I don't wear these, but you can. If it makes you feel more comfortable, you can definitely wear them. Here's another type of brush, this brush. And then this one is wider than this one. You can see the difference. So depending on what level of comfort you want, I don't need anything more than this. I love Chelsea's, and I will continue to buy hers. I buy them all the time. So I was gonna show you, and I forgot my water bottle up here, but normally I would, so this is the workhorse I was talking about in my previous video. This is the Aesthetica Jones. So Aesthetica is the brand, Jones is the name of the specific wig. And she has rooting and she has some highlights. But I'm just gonna brush her out a little bit before I put her on so you can see what it looks like and how it is to put a wig on for the first time. So this is the one that I was saying that you're probably not supposed to be pulling at her, but she's getting caught in the wefts when I'm brushing her. That's why it's doing that. Otherwise it'd be fine. But these are the workhorse, right? Aesthetica, again, their fibers are amazing. They're synthetic, non-heat friendly. Again, is probably the best to go for a brand new wig wearer. And I wish I would have known that before I started off with a heated wig, or the heat friendly wig, synthetic fiber. So again, I already have it set up to where it fits me best. I find these very comfortable. A lot of people say that these are not comfortable, the machine capped ones, but I don't have any problems with them because I've learned. Okay, this is what it's gonna look like when you first put it on. Wild hair rocker days. But you can do almost anything you want with them. So you set it, you kind of go to where your hairline is. So you can set it back. And because I have bangs, it doesn't matter, so it just makes it look more natural. But you definitely want to do at least, I think it's 4 fingers. So we're right where we need to be from your eyebrows to your forehead. Okay? And then what I do is I go in and then I just comb her. And sometimes when you wet her down, you can kind of just do a little bit more. But when it rains and when it has humidity outside, these are not impacted at all. They literally will look exactly the way they look on your head, like right now. So no change, no nothing. Okay, so this is the Aesthetica Jones. And is she not the cutest? This is very similar to my old hairstyle. So curly hair, but I would always straighten it. So this is what it would look like straight. Okay. Okay, I gotta get off. I'm running out of time, but I will start with another video. Thank you. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to continue on. Bye.